This is TWiT.
It appears that a certain company that manufactures iPhones and other devices for Apple, called Foxconn, is set to begin building an electric vehicle factory in the United States in 2022. Or is it 2022? Yeah.
And with hopes of being operational in 2023. You know, Mikah, when a company that builds iPhones says that they are going to be building a factory to produce electric cars, I kind of have to presume that they're going to be doing this for Microsoft or Tesla, maybe Google. They're yeah,
that's got to be Google.
Or maybe, I don't know, maybe this is way out there.
Okay.
Maybe it's Apple.
Could it be Apple?
Oh my God, that would be amazing.
Apple's been rumored to maybe be working on an electric vehicle. Maybe it's Apple.
The person who was previously in charge of watchOS on the Apple Watch got moved to be in charge of the Apple Car department that doesn't exist.
Yeah, this is all very interesting.
This is very suspicious. I mean, all we have to go on is the data that it's been announced that they will be building electric vehicle manufacturing plant in the US. And we know that Foxconn build iPhones. Yeah. Now, I'm sure Foxconn build many more things than iPhones, but they are apparently doing mass production in the US and Thailand from 2023 onwards. And that is very interesting. Very interesting. Maybe the Apple Car is closer than people think, or maybe it's just a different kind of smart car. And when I say smart car, I don't mean the two-seater kind of car that looks like it's been cut in half, but it does fit into a lot more parking spaces than a regular car because it's smaller.
Yes, it's much easier to squeeze in somewhere.